Hello everyone, a new update 27.5 has been released in Melon Playground, and in this video I will show you what is new in it and how to get it. Subscribe to the channel, put your like and enjoy watching. The first thing that was added was new items in the Mechanisms tab, namely musical items such as drums, flutes, xylophone, guitar and piano. Using the context menu, you can open the music editor, click on the pencil in the upper left corner and create a melody. You can listen to what happened in the editor, or activate the instrument and listen to it. And this can be done with each of these musical instruments. It's so cool that you can do only this and nothing else, trying to create a beautiful melody from different instruments. And then activate them all together. The next thing added is wigs. There are only 4 of them. A new system of tying objects with ropes appeared. If earlier it was necessary to pull a rope from one object to another, now you can click on the first object and then on the second and the rope will bind. It is much more convenient, but if you do not like it in the settings, you can turn on the old option. There are also names in the new context menu, which is very convenient because many still remained on the old context menu design since everything is clear there, but now it is very convenient to use the new design since it is more compact and everything is also clear. A new function for freezing the rotation of an object appears in the context menu. By activating it, the object can be moved, but it will remain in one position, and this position can be changed during a pause. This is very convenient, especially for flying objects such as a rocket engine. If earlier it was necessary to use a gyroscope, attach it to an object, and specify the angle, now it is much easier. The camera zoom scale has also increased. Now we can see the map completely. This is how it was before. The next major changes are related to the map editor. A preview mode has appeared, a very convenient function since you do not need to exit the editor, go to the map, then back to the editor in order to test the map. In preview mode you have all the same possibilities as in a regular game. You can use any items or elements. Also, there is an opportunity to create animation. You can make almost any animation, movement, rotation, scale, just set the values of the start and end points and the animation will be ready. You can also make the animation start again only after returning to the starting position. In the rotation animation, we set the starting angle of the object and the ending. In scale animation, the initial size of the object and the final size respectively. Also now in the map settings you can select themes that can be changed in the finished map. Animations in the map editor are such a cool thing that it's scary to even imagine what kind of maps will appear in the workshop now. You can now delete trash in the file manager. And also optimize the files for the new version of the game, but then they cannot be used on older versions. A safe mode has appeared. If you have problems starting the game, then you can activate it and then the game will start without your mods and saves, which will simplify the launch. There are notifications in the workshop where you will find out about the approval or rejection of your mods. An ice block has appeared in the mod editor, and the texture view has also changed slightly. Now you can adjust the borders to the texture with a single button. Also now when loading the game you can see the loading of your mods. The What's New tab has been changed. Now there is just an icon and a new section has appeared where we can see various news. At the time of recording the video, the update is not yet available to everyone, so if you don't have it yet, I'll show you how to download it. Since there is no working APK file yet, you can't just download it from the link. So you'll need the AppCure application, download it from Google, and in it you can find Melon Sandbox and download the new update. The update turned out to be very cool. Even if they had only added animation in the map editor, it would still have been cool. But in addition to this, a lot of interesting things appeared. The developers could have made musical instruments with ready-made simple melodies, and so that they would simply play when the instrument was activated. But they added a whole system for creating melodies. And this is of course shocking, since there are separate applications for this. And here we have it in the game, where in addition to this, there is still a lot of other things. And also, the developers paid attention to the little things, adding names in the context menu, adding a new function of freezing rotation, and so on. In general, I like the update. Write in the comments whether you liked it or not. And this video is coming to an end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and good luck to you.